Hi everyone, and welcome to Millennium Computer's online 5-minute tutorials. Today we will look at the question, how do I use the advanced options to refine my report results? First thing to point out is that when you execute any report, the order in which the columns appear is not necessarily the order you may want them in. To change these quickly and easily for this report, simply grab a column, drag and drop it to another location. This will save for this execution of this report. If you want that to be saved for this report for the next time you run it, you need to pin this report. We will cover saving and pinning reports in a separate tutorial. The next thing we're going to look at is the Advanced Options tab. This is really where we find out how the report is constructed. It shows us which columns are hidden and which will display, the group function column, and the column sort, showing which columns are sorted in which direction. We can customize all these features, and I'll show you a quick example of how to do that. I think the easiest way to start is to select the No Columns button. This will really clear the field and give you a blank slate to work with. We can now select only those columns that we wish to appear in our report. Let's choose fiscal year and period. Let's choose vendor ID. And let's choose all the various payment methods. What we're looking for is how much money have we spent to each vendor in a particular period of time. We need to also change the PO, direct pay, and P card functions to sum. We want to see a total amount. We also want to see a total of all three. So by executing this report, we're going to see the same data in a much different way. So we have our fiscal year and period, our vendor ID, the sum of our POs, direct pays, and purchasing card transactions, and a total spend column at the end. Now, maybe we want to refine these results, and perhaps we want to show them in descending order by sum. Simply click on the descending order button, and the transactions are now sorted from highest to lowest, showing the big spenders at the top down to the smallest. Now, let's say we want to refine this even more. This shows 96,000 plus records, and perhaps we're really only interested in those vendors that we've spent a lot of money to over the years. Let's go ahead and apply a custom filter. If you click on the sum header and click on Apply Custom Filters, we can actually refine this to show only those rows where the sum total is greater than or equal to 200,000. Let's apply the filters. Our report is now even further refined to only those vendors to whom we've paid over 200,000. Now, if we want to make further changes, we can go back into the advanced options, and maybe we want to remove the period. We only care about fiscal year. And in fact, maybe we want to sort by fiscal year in ascending order. Now you'll see in the column sort order box, we are filtering first by total spend and then by fiscal year. Let's reverse those so that we see a total by fiscal year, then by dollars spent. Let's re-execute. Now we see fiscal year sorted from lowest to highest, our vendors, transactions, and a total spend from highest to lowest per fiscal year. There are so many ways you can customize your reports using the Advanced Options tab. I hope this has given you a quick introduction to what you can do on your own. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.